How to shift lock on Roblox PS4 Controller, Blox Fruits. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to enable shift lock on a Roblox PlayStation 4 controller for the Blox Fruits. It's a simple process, so follow along. Ensure that you have a gamepad connected to Blox Fruits. To enable shift lock, go to the settings, open the settings, navigate to the Roblox menu, and select the shift lock switch option. If you don't see this option, you won't be able to enable shift lock. Keep this option turned on for any platform, including Xbox, PC, mobile, PlayStation 4, and PlayStation 5. You can toggle shift lock using your controller. Look for a toggle on your controller to manage the shift lock, and simply go to the menu, find the shift lock switch, and turn it on. You can use a D-pad or triggers to enable it. Remember, you won't be able to enable or disable shift lock by pressing keys if it's turned off. You can change this setting anytime by going into the menu and enabling the shift lock switch. Make sure to use the correct keybinds on your controller. If you encounter any issues, ensure that the shift lock is set up for the game you're playing. Unfortunately, if this option isn't available, there is no workaround. You can only use the shift lock if the option is visible in the game settings. I hope this guide on enabling shift lock on a Roblox PlayStation 4 controller for the Blox Fruits was helpful. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.